doing another group break. It is Sunday, March 15th. This is group break number 222. We did the randoms already. No trades were confirmed, so everyone's keeping their teams. We got Bobby, Buffalo. Dennis P has Tampa Bay. Arash has Columbus. Sam B has the Devils. Lee has Florida. Jesse has Vancouver. Grocery Steak has Pittsburgh. Arash has Minnesota. Sean T has Chicago. Shobo has Toronto. Sean T has Ottawa. Domi has New York Rangers. Sean T has San Jose. Sam B has LA Kings and New York Islanders. Dennis P has Edmonton Oilers. Where is that? Where was I? Yeah, Jason N has St. Louis. Josh has Carolina. Domi has Colorado. Lee has Washington. Bobby has Philadelphia. Ken has Calgary. Josh has Nashville. Ricky has Anaheim. I used to have Winnipeg, but it's now Domi's. So Domi has Winnipeg Jets. Lee has Dallas. Allen Jr. has Montreal. Dennis P has Detroit. Derek has Boston. And Josh, the Saxman, has the free bonus team, which was the Phoenix Coyotes, as always. Let me just quickly put Domi here instead. Domi, I will change it on Facebook as well for you, but it is your team. Okay, let's go with the packs first. Good luck, everyone. Oh, we have a rookie for the Coyotes, Tobias Reeder. And we have a green parallel, 55 of 99 for the Washington Capitals, Braden Holtby. Good start for Washington. We have, for the Boston Bruins, we have a rookie of Pasternak. And for the Phoenix Coyotes, again, Tobias Reeder, blue version. Phoenix is killing it so far. There you go, Josh. Base. Oh, very nice. For the Boston Bruins, rookie green parallel, 53 of 99, David Pasternak. Now we go with our 3 bonus packs that I threw in at the end. We have, for the Anaheim Ducks, triple diamond, rookie gems, William Karlsson. Decoy and base. Guys, as you guys know from before, double diamonds are considered base. So before, for the new guys that don't know, double diamonds are considered base. Base there. William Karlsson.
Oh, nice. Who'd you get?
For the Nashville Predators, triple diamond rookie gems, Colton Sissons.
So you could get a Bulldog. Yeah.
Okay, so we are gonna go with our oldest box, which is the more expensive one in the product. 1011 Black Diamond, 354. Let's see some Sagan. Let's see some Subban. Taylor Hall, Jordan Everley, bonus pack. Yep.
Is it ice?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, it is ice. Empty box.
They had ice last time.
Yeah. Okay, good luck. Pack 1. You probably need the base for these, right? Wow, it's been a long time I haven't seen these. All base.
Weak.
Triple diamond for the Islanders, John Tavares.
Ooh, nice.
Base. Base. That's the thing with Black Diamond, right? Love the base packs. Oh, we got a quad diamond. Our first quad diamond goes to the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur.
Sweet.
Flower.
The flower.
The flower. Our first rookie goes to Dallas Stars. Triple diamond, Philip Larson. Who does Jesse have?
Canucks.
Oh,
Yeah.
all base.
That'd be awesome. But this is
Or Pavel Bure, maybe,
Yeah.
from the older stuff. All base. Okay, 1/3 of the box. We're through. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, quad diamond rookie gems, Eric Tangrady. Well, I guess he was projected to be a good rookie because he's quad diamond. He's traded now.
Winnipeg, isn't he?
I think so.
Yeah,
Triple diamond for the New York Rangers, Marian Gaborik. Oh, he's not even Jets anymore? I guess he's not. Anything Jets related, you gotta ask Domi.
What's wrong with Mark Scheifele?
Scheifele got hit so bad last night.
Yeah.
That was a bad hit. Oh, we got our first jersey. It's for Boston. Blake Wheeler. Authentic game used quad jersey for the Boston Bruins. Blake Wheeler. He's a Jets now. For the Nashville Predators, rookie gems triple diamond Anders Lindback. If it's any of the guys here, let me know. If like the guy that
There was
put-
one earlier.
Who?
The William Carlson.
Oh, lots of base pack. Oh, the Carlson one?
Yeah.
Okay. Double diamond again. Okay, 2/3 through. I'll see.
Still a Ruby to go too.
Yeah, I'll
Right.
see if the Boston guy is interested to let go of that card. Triple diamond for the Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. No, there's our Ruby. For the Nashville Predators, Ryan Suter, number 28 of 100. I guess they used to number it to 100
Yeah,
before,
no, they weren't.
not 150.
No, 150.
Isn't it 150 now, the Rubies?
No, that's for the rookies, but for the regular, it's 50.
Oh, 50.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
It's always to 100 back in the day. It changes when it gets to 14, 15.
For the LA Kings, a triple diamond rookie gems, Kyle Clifford.
I got a rookie card right away.
Lots of base in the old black diamonds, huh?
This
the
is
newer
on
ones.
screen. She's still waiting for one more jersey card.
Yeah, I know. Wow.
It must be the last pack.
Last pack should be our other jersey. Yeah. Waited to the end.
There you go.
It is for the old Winnipeg Jets, which goes to the new. I mean, no. Yeah. The old Winnipeg Jets goes to Phoenix Coyotes. Dale Hawerchuk. Yeah. The old Winnipeg Jets goes to the new. They're moved to Phoenix, so that goes to Phoenix, unfortunately. Sorry about that, Domi, but I am sure Josh might make a deal with you. Okay, I hope our bonus is good because the box wasn't. That was a pretty bad box. Oh, wow. So bad. Our ice premiere is for the Colorado Avalanche, 214 of 999. Brandon Yip. Wow. Was one of the worst boxes I've seen.
Can only get better though.
It could only get better. Next is our 12-13 box. It is box number 186. The next one I'm gonna do multiple years will be SP Authentic, guys. And then we'll also do SPX and SP Game Used as well, multiple years.
You have a bunch of young guns from last year?
Bonus. Huh?
You have young guns from last year?
Oh, tons.
I got some doubles on.
I got tons of young guns from 13, 14.
This is the one I'm still in. Same thing?
Yep.
Yeah.
All the way through.
Yeah. Oh, we started with a green one right away. Oh, wow. That's a nice card. Double diamond green parallel for the LA Kings, Mike Richards, number 2 of 10. Wow.
Nice card.
Good start. 2 of 10 for the LA Kings, Mike Richards. Hardy has a little ding on the bottom, unfortunately. But that's a good hit. I'm going to put that in the one touch. Nice start. Nice start. Triple diamond for the Dallas Stars, Ryan Garbett. Two emeralds in one?
No,
What the hell? Look at these packs, man. They're just, yeah. Double diamond. Okay, maybe I put these away, so thank you. Oh, there you go. Yeah, LA's on fire tonight. That's so weird. These packs. Oh, come on. No more. Let's see some hits. What the hell?
I think they had a bad batch.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a red. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Ruby James Neal. This one is single diamond, 65 of 100. For the Penguins, James Neal. Bless you. Oh, triple diamond. For the Montreal Canadiens, Howie Morenz. Howie Morenz for the Canadiens. Double diamond. Hosa. First jersey of the night goes to his current team, Louis LeBlanc. He's not Habs anymore, right? Is he?
I don't know.
Louis LeBlanc, Canada Juniors. Someone can check that for me, please. If Louis LeBlanc is still with the Habs or not. That card goes to his current team. Double diamond, Paul Coffey. For the Ottawa Senators, rookie gems, Mark Stone, quad diamond. Who is that? Is it any of us?
No.
Ottawa? Who is Ottawa?
I don't know.
Well, that's why I gave you the list.
You want me to check?
Yeah, Mark Stone is good.
Sean T.
Sean T. Yeah, it is ours.
Okay.
I knew we had someone here. Yeah.
He's not here. He's not.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, just keep him aside.
Triple diamond for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Marty St. Louis. Is he coming back?
Yes, he said.
No, I don't think so.
Really?
I thought he said he's coming back.
No, he's told that.
There's our other jersey.
I don't know about this guy.
For the Rangers, nice. Chris Kreider, dual jersey for the New York Rangers. Chris Kreider.
This is rookie jersey too, I guess.
Thanks, Grant. It is Montreal. That card goes to Montreal. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, rookie gems, Dalton Prout.
Something right?
Yeah.
Coffee. Oh, shall we?
Actually, these guys are gonna come later, so I just want to give it to the guys that are here right
Yeah,
now.
well, that's why I didn't do sure and see.
Yeah. Oh,
I think you've done your days of it.
yeah. I think I should retire. I don't know how to open packs. Nice for the Montreal Canadiens. Patrick Roy, quad diamond. Actually, it could be Colorado, but I think he played. Oh, it has a logo on the back. Goes to Montreal. Quad diamond. Patrick Roy.
Montreal's doing alright.
Montreal's doing good. Yeah. Well, Louis LeBlanc was supposed to be one of the top rookies. I don't know what happened. Chicago Blackhawks, triple diamond, Tony Esposito.
Yeah.
Ricky is waiting for Anaheim.
There was one right already before I came.
I know the first one. For the San Jose Sharks, triple rookie gems, Tyson Sexsmith, ex-Vancouver Giant. Base. 4 packs left from this one, and we'll be halfway there. Double diamond, Brendan Smith. Oh, we got a case hit. Nice. Stanley Cup champions for the Colorado Avalanche, Alex Tanguay. Alex Tanguay for the Avalanche. Nice. Who has Colorado?
Just checking Domi.
Domi. Nice hit, Domi.
Yeah.
Double diamond for the Vancouver Canucks, Roberto Luongo. Better than nothing. And our last pack before our bonus, it is all base. Get those away. Come on, big rookie. Actually, 12, 13, there's no big rookies anyways.
Yeah, Kreider.
Oh, Kreider, yeah, it is.
Kreider and Sven Berchi.
Sven Berchi, yep.
Now Canucks.
And it is for the Tampa Bay Lightning. He's not bad. JT Brown, 459 of 999.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Dennis P.
Mike Richards. Oh, sweet.
It's not zooming. Come on. Okay, it won't zoom. Tampa Bay Lightning, Ice JT Brown. Next, we go to 13, 14. We don't have any.
What, you got 55?
Yeah, sure.
55 is.
Actually, I have one here. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I have one here. Thanks, though.
Oh.
Box number is 948. 1 second, guys. I mean, it's not new, but just for now. It's a nice card.
Greens and blues always look good.
Yeah. Oh, I've never pulled the blue one, so I would love to have a blue one. Okay, good luck. Halfway there, guys. McKinnon right in there.
It's going to be Huberto or Barker for me.
Hey, what's up with these cards? That's not an
It's a shorter print of a base card, basically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like just now how Sean is doing his set.
Yeah.
He's doing the single diamonds, and then he actually needs the double. But that's not the year Sean is doing. That's 1 year older.
Okay.
We start with an All base pack.
Yeah.
Double diamond, Ryan Getzlaff. Double diamond, Braden Holtby. Double diamond, Corey Perry.
Again somewhere.
Slowly.
Where's it gonna be like
Ooh.
Timmy Solani?
Oh, I thought it was patch. We have our first rookie for the New Jersey Devils, Eric Jelinas. Oh, not bad. For the Florida Panthers, quad diamond rookie gems, Alexander Barkov.
Nice.
Good hit. And well, the good thing is the table is soft. Nice. For the Montreal Canadiens, dual jersey, Alex Galchenyuk. That was 2 good cards in 1 pack. Nice.
Unheard of.
Unheard of, yeah. Double diamond, Braden Shen. Wow. Another one for Montreal. Montreal got both of the jersey cards. PK Subban.
Just all Montreal today or what?
I guess it's Montreal Day. All base. For the Montreal Canadiens, quad diamond rookie gems, Brendan Gallagher.
Oh, nice. Gallagher rookie card?
Yeah.
Nice.
Brendan Gallagher for the Canadiens. Yeah. Canadiens is
always
doing
good
good.
at almost every product.
Yeah.
All base. Who has Montreal? For the Boston Bruins, triple rookie gems, Carl Soderberg.
Allen Jr.
That's a good one.
Oh, Allen has. Yeah, Allen Jr. has a tower behind me, so more added to his tower.
Checking out.
No, the card it was like this in the pack. I'm like, it feels a little weird. Triple diamond for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. This box it's all Montreal.
I'm on Florida.
Wow.
Yeah, Canadiens on fire. Triple diamond for the Nashville Predators, rookie gems, Austin Watson. Who's Nashville?
I don't know.
It's not any
Josh, the saxman.
Oh, Josh. Oh, we got something. Oh, it's red.
There you go.
For the New Jersey Devils, Ruby /50, Corey Schneider.
Oh, lucky that.
47 of 50, Corey Schneider.
No, I didn't know.
I thought I was another green one. Got me excited for a sec.
No, greens to 25-10.
No, I know, but just like it was upside. Steve Mason double. Was upside down or so. Oh, we have another case hit. Nice. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Stanley Cup champions, Ron Francis. Ron Francis. Pittsburgh Penguins. This was a good box.
Very good box.
Very good box of Black Diamond.
So it makes up for the last two.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, actually one, really.
Yeah, the first
Yeah,
one.
that one was terrible.
The 10-11 was horrible. For the Montreal Canadiens again,
Oh, man.
quad diamond, Jean Beliveau. Wow. Montreal killed this box.
You're gonna have to ice now? Is that what's
Yeah.
gonna happen?
We're gonna end it with a Galchenyuk ice for the Anaheim Ducks.
Yeah.
Timo Solani, triple diamond.
Is that a good card?
Actually, I have the rest of yours in here, so we'll just do it at the end. Those are Sean's, yeah. Yours is in the pile. For the Vancouver Canucks, rookie gems, triple diamond, Nicholas Jensen. That's a good one for you, sir. And the last pack before the bonus pack is a triple diamond for the Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. And the bonus. Come on, 99. I don't care who it is, just the 99 rookie. Just the 99 rookie.
Safe and sorry.
I'll be happy with a 99 rookie. Base, base, base. For the Phoenix Coyotes, 398 of 499, Lucas Lesio. If this was a 9 in this 99 in this box, this would have been the best up Black Diamond box. Lucas Lesio for the Coyotes, the free team gets a hit, an ice card. Last box of the break is 1415, box number 298. Empty. Okay, we gotta search for the bonus pack.
Should be at the front, man.
Okay, we're missing the bonus pack, guys.
No, it's right here.
Where?
Bonus pack.
Where did you? Oh my God.
It's right on top all the time.
Never mind.
Deceiving, but
Never
they're
mind.
always
Oh,
there.
bonus pack at the end. Okay, pack one. Good job there, buddy. Helping your friend out.
What? Me?
No, Grant is taking. Alan is sleeping. Every hit he has, he's taking a picture and sending it to him. We have a green, a red ruby rookie gems triple diamond for the Minnesota Wild. Christian Folin, number 11 of 150 for the Wild. Christian Folin. We have a dual jersey for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Brandon Sutter. Next week on Sunday, we got our Panini Super Break, guys, going live at 5 o'clock. It's the Panini Super Break with a box of National Treasures. Nice hit for the Washington Capitals. Quad Diamond Rookie Gems, Evgeny Kuznetsov. That's a good hit. Definitely one of the top rookies of this year. For the Calgary Flames, Triple Diamond Rookie Corbin Knight. Now we should see a Goudreau. Come on, Goudreau. Goudreau or Ekblad, as long as it's a big one. Double Diamond Jamie Howard. Last pack before the bonus. Sorry, not last pack before the bonus. What am I talking about? For the New York Islanders, Quad Diamond John Tavares. Oh, oh, nice hit. Case hit. Oh, sorry guys, I missed the triple diamond as well. For the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. And for the Ottawa Senators, Black Lustrous Rookies, case hit, Curtis Lazar. That's a nice card. That's the first time I see these ones.
Sean T.
Yeah, first time I see these in person. Nice card.
No, we had a Florida one. That card. Yeah.
Who did? You did?
Sean.
I don't
Sean
remember
hit it.
seeing it. Did he?
Somebody had one here. No,
Oh yeah.
I never had
I
one
don't
in
know.
my case.
Maybe don't remember. But for the Boston Bruins, quad diamond rookie gems, Alexander Kuklachev. Come on, Goudreau or Ekblad. Even Sam Reinhart will do. For the Vancouver Canucks, a rookie triple diamond, Michael Zaleski. All base.
Oh, another one.
Not hold that, man.
Double diamond, Brent Seabrook.
Rookie card that is, Jeff.
Yeah,
That's a rookie card.
rookie of Zaleski. For the Philadelphia Flyers, dual jersey, Sean Couturier. Double diamond, Jeff Carter.
They're weird ones. I don't know.
Who? Oh.
I showed you.
Which? Oh.
These.
Triple diamond for the Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin. Double diamond, Kyle Okposo. Last three before our bonus is rookie for the San Jose Sharks, Mirko Mueller. Double diamond, Brad Marchand. Last pack. Triple diamond for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. And the last pack of the break is the bonus pack. Let's get a big rookie in this one. That'll be good.
One. Yes. Top of my head. 99.
2000. For the San Jose Sharks, orange single, Alex Stalak. And quad diamond rookie gems, Vladislav Nemesnikov for the Tampa Bay Lightning. I saw Tampa Bay, I thought it was Drouin. And the triple diamond for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. So that was the break, guys. We have no randoms to do, but someone is gonna win the blaster.
Come on.
So we are gonna do the random for that between everyone. Give me a second. Let me set up the random on that.
Give me the blaster box, please.
That's definitely your money back if.
Yeah.
Well,
What year was again that rookie?
okay.
01?
If I can find my Facebook, it'll be a good start.
2000?
Facebook.
Maybe even like 99 or 98. Man. They're around the same as the Deaners. Maybe.
Okay, there's all the names.
That's pretty dope. Yeah. Stop. He'll buy one. Jordan Stone rookie card. That's it.
See, I've never been into rookies.
No? I'm all about my.
That's a
So that's what I used to collect as a kid.
Like I'm starting to collect a few, but
Okay, the first spot
values when you
was
sell them, yeah.
Josh.
Yeah.
No, he's not.
He
No,
has
this
the
rookie
free
is
spot
waiting
there.
for that 2001 5 NHL season.
So
Yeah, no,
we'll
he's
go
in
through
the
Yeah,
90s.
he's in the 90s.
Yeah, man.
the random list. So
That's what I'm saying. The Gators
Josh,
in 99. And they were drafted before us.
Josh Saxman. Okay, so we're gonna randomize this list 3 times. The person on top after the third random wins the blaster box. I can open it for them right here and right now if they're here. Then every person that joined this break will each get 1 entry to our monthly giveaway, which is a box of 1415 Black Diamond or another product of that year equivalent to the price. You can choose between Black Diamond or a couple of other products at the end of the month if you are the winner. So there's the list, guys. Everyone, 1 to 30, 3 times. Person on top wins. Good luck.
Are these in again?
Once,
Oh,
twice,
blaster box, here we go.
and the final time, box goes to Lee.
Nice.
Nice.
Congrats, Lee,
Good job.
winner of the
Nice.
box. Thanks everyone for joining us,
Good.
and
Well,
we'll
nice.
see you
Stay
Wednesday
home,
for our Toonie
something
breaks,
open up.
and
Yeah.
next Sunday
even
for
right
our
now.
Panini Super Break, as well as our 1415 Upper Deck Fleer Showcase that's coming up soon. Thanks, guys.